Oi, oi, oi. Malo, malo, malo semua. Fakalo Mako. Oh, my favorite players arrived. Hey. But she is camera shy. All good. Welcome back. Another day of netball. That's what we do. That's why we come. We have a lot of fun here playing netball. But yeah, next game, hopefully it works out. Jane's crossing her fingers. Yeah, yep, nice day. Weather. This is the St. John's ANZ netball courts. Come here for some cardio, catch up with the family. Nothing but good times, and we all leave happy and a little bit healthier. Had my minerals, my vitamins, ate my veggies. Hope it all pays off. Alright, we'll see you after. Jane's getting some free lessons from the ref. It's good, eh? Good people here.
Yeah, playing netball Monday. 2 hours in the last 2 weeks, so see how we go this time.
Right. Ooh, okay.
Center for confidence.
Fakalo Fatu, guess what? All those vitamins and minerals and veggies I've been eating, we won by 1 point. I'll just go around the team and get some feedback. Here's Steph.
Oh my gosh, it was a comeback of all comebacks. Whakapule atu everyone, put my manners on. So, hei me take haku wanga hau niwe, but in moments like these, eh? Anyway, we're just really happy. Thank you, it was an excellent game. 26-25 to us the last second. And my last defense was to foul someone.
Yeah.
Just not so they don't get that extra point. Good night everyone.
Wakaoe, MVP. Oh,
Dave. This is David. It's our first of 3 supporters post-lockdown coming to watch us play netball, so life's getting back to normal. Wow, what a game. We won 26-5. Stevenson came at the 3rd round, and in our power round he sunk some timed 4-pointers. So went down, I think we snaked the lead in the last 30 seconds, in the last minute anyway. Then the ball changed hands twice in that final play, and we held on. We got the ball on defense. They had 2 shots at it, and what do you reckon, Dave? What do you reckon? Amazing. Hey, David's inspired by your YouTube channel, John.
Oh, fuck all it, Dave.
Can't wait to see this go online, and then we'll watch ourselves.
Fuck all it. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Hey, we won. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and vanga hau niue. Aia. Monuine po, te Filipia, ke monuina. Yo.
No, well, every time someone takes an attacking player takes position, you have to give them 3 feet, which is 0.9 or a meter.
Yeah. 3 feet. So if I'm here.
So if the ball carries here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just the circle.
Yeah.
The circle is 0.9.
Oh, I see.
So if you want to have a reference like that. Is this 3 feet too?
No, because the white line is for when we do the
No, this is the space between.
No, just that.
Okay. But if I move into you, if the shooter moves into me, then the shooter's in the wrong.
Yes.
And then, yeah.
And just hold there, you don't whack the ball.
Yeah.
Just hold there.
Cool.
And then competent umpires will always call.
Yeah. Sweet.
3 feet.
3 feet. Thanks, Tommy. See, 3 feet. Yeah.
Same thing, I can still go like this.
Yeah.
Just the bigger the space, the more of a chance you're not going to get caught up.
Yeah.
Know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if you get a bit tight, 3 feet, and then like,
Yeah.
Oh shit, bit too close. Okay, bit more. Well, it's always about what you determine what your 3 feet is. It's not what the umpire is expecting. Because you're going to see your foot work every time all day. I can stay here. This is my 3 feet. And the umpire's like, yeah, good.
Yeah.
Because once you eliminate yourself out of play, then you got to go chase it.
Yeah.
And you're centre.
Yeah, I don't like it. Okay, all right. That's gonna help
And,
our game a lot.
Say for you as centre,
Yeah.
position, not pace.
Yes.
Position, not pace.
I don't know the position.
Oh, just looking for open space. If the ball's stuck down here with your guys trying to bring it down, you have to go back to it.
Okay. Position, not pace.
Position, not pace.
Yeah, position, not pace. Oh, yeah.
Then I can go back to defense. Back to you.
Yeah.
We can slowly work our way to the shooting position
Yeah.
instead of bang, 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 bang. You get good teams for like 1, 2 pass, 3 pass.
Yeah.
But like teaching you guys is just